Hello everybody, in this video we will learn about the one of the most important vertical circulation element known as staircase, and also we will be learning about the railings. So without getting delay, let's start with creating the staircase. To create the staircase, I will go to architecture tab, then in circulation panel I will select staircase. Now you can see the types of staircase. These four are the recast kind of staircase, while the last one is the sketch mode. Let's start with the straight staircase. Firstly, you need to adjust the base level, which is L1, and top level as a L2, which is already correct here. Also, you can adjust the number of riser in the dimension tab. Don't forget to check this automatic landing, and you can change run weight as per your requirement. Let's say 1200 mm. Now I can start drawing my staircase. Before drawing the staircase, you can see the location line. By default, it's run center. Let's change it to run left. Now, let's start creating the staircase. Just click at any point and make it continue up to certain point. Then click, move your cursor towards right. Then click again. Now make it continue. Then click. Once staircase is done, you can just select and adjust the staircase as per your space. Once the sketch is done, go to modify and hit OK. Now you can see our staircase is ready with railing. Let's try to understand remaining type of staircase. So let's start with full step spiral. The basic step for creating any type of staircase is to set their base level and top level with the desirable riser. Then to create the staircase from spiral method, you just need to click at anywhere and it will directly create the staircase as per our radius dimension. You just need to hit OK. Let's say Bx for selection box. You can see the staircase is ready here. To add railing, I will select the staircase. We'll go to railing. I want the railing on the threads. Hit OK. Again hit OK. See, now we are having the railings on the threads. This one is cutting basically due to selection box. You can see our spiral staircase is ready. Now let's move ahead with the next type of staircase, which is the center end spiral. Select it. You can adjust the width of your run before creating the staircase, and also you can adjust the location line and the dimension kind of everything. Just click anywhere, drag your mouse away from the point and click again. Just make the riser continue and click wherever you want the landing. I want landing here. Then again I will go to that point. I will click on the point and just extend your landing and create the riser again. Now we can see the staircase by selecting it, and we'll go to selection box. This shortcut for a selection box is BX. You can see our staircase is ready here. Let's move with the next type. This is the L-shaped staircase, which is basically the precast kind of. You can just place it as per your requirement, and you can also flip it, or you can mirror it just like this. And the last one is U shape. This one is similar to L shaped staircase. I can place it anywhere, wherever I need. Now you can also edit the staircase by selecting it, and in this constraint and dimension tab, you can just edit it. Let's say I want this to be 1000 mm or run. Now you can see. Also, you can change the desirable riser number and the actual tread depth, like that you can change. Let's check in the 3D how it looks. I will hit BX for selection box. This one is our U-shaped staircase. Now let's understand the staircase by sketch method. You need to select the create sketch option. Now you can see three options: boundary, riser, and staircase. The boundary is basically the outer line for the staircase, while the riser is the actual riser, and the last one is the stair path. Let's try to understand it. Firstly, I will select boundary, use the line command. Now I will draw the boundary line for the stair. I will use the pick line for this, and I will enter the offset for this as 10 mm. Just select this will draw a line from here, say from here. Trimming this. Let's provide offset to this line only. Let's keep our staircase run width as 1000 mm. Here and here. Okay. I will trim these two like this. Now we have to add the riser. To add riser, select this option named as riser and just create the riser over here. And for this, now we can simply copy them using this one. I have used 300 value as a thread depth. I'm just copying it. Now we can trim the riser and outer boundary. Here we need to add the stair path. We will select this, use the line command, and simply I will just add the staircase path like this. Once done, hit OK. Now in the 3D, we can see the staircase. Okay, I have to flip this. I will select, edit. I will use this flip tool and hit OK. Now you can see our staircase using the sketch method is ready. Now to create railing, again I will go to architecture tab. In the circulation panel, I will look for railing. Then in the drag down panel, you can select your desirable type. For now, I am selecting the glass panel. Also, before creating, set some offset to the railing. And don't forget to check this chain option. Then I will start making the railing from this point to this. I have entered the space button to make it flip, and from this point to this point. Once sketch is done, then hit OK. Now you can see your railing is created in the 3D view as well as in plan view. In the next video, we will be learning about ceiling and interior elements. Like if you feel the video useful, and subscribe if you want to learn Revit step by step. Thank you.